Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going over some of the interior upgrades we offer for the 2014 through 2021 Toyota Tundra. All right guys, we have the seats pulled out of our customer's 2019 Toyota Tundra CrewMax, and I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the original cloth to the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery. Our customer wanted to do something really special for this truck's interior, so our prime department put together the bespoke package you see here, featuring our new Reticulated Quadrata CNC-quilted inserts. Our customer has the Cavalry Blue Toyota Tundra, and he wanted the interior to complement the paint. We built this kit in Pacific Blue as the primary color, with black facings and Piazza Blue wings. Piazza perforation is a special order material that gives a subtle two-tone effect by first vat dyeing the material in blue and then surface coating it in black so that the blue shows through once the square perforation holes are punched. We also rewrapped our customer center console lid to mimic the factory limited console design using the same two-tone color combination as the seats. This is also a great time to consider upgrading your console to have wireless charging. Toyota offers a drop-in unit for this lid that our customer requested we install for his. Our customer also requested that we upgrade his front seats with our carbon fiber seat heaters. Although pad placement is fairly straightforward, wiring them into the vehicle does require specific automotive 12-volt experience, so we would suggest professional installation. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to receive free leather samples, give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com. For more information, check out the links in the video description. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.